What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about the Mustang build that I just finished. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm going to talk to you guys about this 2019 Mustang that I just finished. I bought this car wrecked last summer and I just got it finished about a week and a half ago. Now I want to talk with you guys about the damage, the cost of fixing it and making it what you see now. Behind me, I got the Mustang finished. In front of me, I got the paper with all the parts, the cost of reality, and what I expected to pay, and then the total cost, including the car. I made a list when I just bought this car of things I needed. So let's start from the top. The car was non-negotiable. The car was $7,000. Making the list, the first thing I knew I needed was a new hood. The hood that I wanted, I expected to pay $2,000. Had a passenger fender, I was wanting to pay $500. I was planning on paying $750 for the door, $2,000 for the quarter panel with the removal and installation of the rear window and the quarter window. I wanted to pay $1,500 for the front apron labor to get the front apron straight. I wanted to pay $1,200 for the front bumper, $500 for the rear. I was expecting to pay $500 for the taillights. I was expecting to pay $1,500 for all my suspension work, $2,000 for my seats, $1,000 for my wrap, and $500 for my headlight. That comes out to a grand total of $13,950 plus the $7,000 original for the car. I would be looking at $20,950. That's what I went into this car expecting to spend all said and done. Now, as I started the project, there were some things that changed. I'll go ahead and run through what I actually spent for these parts that I wanted. So for the hood situation, I bought a GT500 style hood from American Muscle. Traded that for the stock 2019 Mustang hood. I got that original hood for $580. Then I got the passenger fender for a really good deal on American Muscle for $120. I got the passenger door here local from a part out for $350. I paid $987 for the quarter panel. I paid $500 for the installation of the glass. And then I paid $2,500 for a buddy's time to get this quarter panel put in. And that $2,500 included removal of the windows and fixing the front apron on the front right of the car. So that saved me from the front apron charge, making that $0. For the front bumper and rear bumper, I paid $884. Taillights I got locally on a local part out for $150. For the suspension work, it kind of got a little complicated here. I wanted to pay $1,500. I paid about $600 for knuckle in the rear used on eBay, and then a control arm. Now I took this car to get it aligned because something was still wacky. That's when they got in a small fender bender, but I ended up walking out of there paying $1,500 for some more suspension work and an alignment. I was expecting to pay $2,000 for the seats. I found these red Brahms seats for sale on Facebook Marketplace about 2 hours north, and they came with the brackets and sliders for a 2019 Mustang. It just worked out in my favor. I got them for $400. The wrap, I was expecting $1,000. It's a nice even number, a lot of variety in vinyl. I ended up choosing Avery, this red that I think is awesome. And I walked out of there for just under $800 for the vinyl. And then the headlight, I only needed the right front head, or the right headlight, and I found one used on Facebook Marketplace for $50. So, total I spent on parts equals up to $9,446. And then the car was $7,000, which puts me at a grand total in this car $16,446. So, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. $16,000 for this Mustang isn't that bad in my opinion. I want to know what you guys think. Comment down below. Tell me what you think of the build. Tell me what you think I should do. And just like that, I'll see you next video. Peace.
But now you're out of time.